Could a simple sneeze actually cause your spine to fracture? If you have osteoporosis, it silently eats away at your bone density. Inside, dense, healthy bone is slowly hollowed out and becomes porous. This microscopic breakdown compromises your spine's structural stability. Postmenopausal women and men over 70 face the highest risk of this hidden loss. A family history and certain medical conditions also drastically accelerate this decay. Because the bone is so weak, even minor everyday movements trigger a collapse. Early diagnostic screening is the only way to detect it. Do not wait for a structural failure. Assess your spine health now. Consult Spine 360 for an expert clinical evaluation.